Hello, welcome to Numpy hands-on session. In today's session, we'll look into how to create one-dimension and two-dimension array, perform mathematical operation on array, slicing and dicing of array, and lastly, the util functions available in array. So for any NumPy operation, first make sure you import the library. Import NumPy as NP. So executing this will add the NumPy package to your environment. Then to create a NumPy array, use this np.array. Within the braces, you have to pass on the list of elements. So to create we have created a single dimension array. That is, to create a two-dimension array, something like a matrix which has a row and a column, we can use the same np.array but pass a list within list, and it will create a two-dimension array, first list being the first row and second list being the second row. So to print the shape, we have a function or attribute called shape. So this will give you first attribute will give you the number of rows, second attribute will give you the number of columns. So next, and NumPy array has D type, which will give you the data type of the elements. So here, this array holds only integer value. NumPy array also provides functions to create some special array, special case array. Like if I want to create an NumPy array which has all values 0, np.0 can be used, which np.04 will create an array of 4 columns. Similarly, np.1 will create an array with all ones. So I can define what is the column and row size. So first one is the row, second one is the column. So it will create a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we can also create an array of based on a sequence. So np.arrange of 5 will create an array starting from 0 to 4. It will have 5 elements. We can also do a lot of arithmetic operations for array using the usual arithmetic operators, plus for addition, asterisk for multiplication. Similarly, subtraction, division is also supported. Next, moving on to the array indexing. So as we saw in the list, it is similar to that. So if you want to extract my array, I think my array is a two-dimension array. So np of my array of 0th index will give the first row, and of 1 will give the second row. Okay, and if I want to extract in first row, third column, sorry, it starts with 0th index, so this was the 4th column. So I have to use first one is the row index, second one is the column index. Next, we can also use a sequence. So what it will extract row to index 1 to 4. So 2, 3, 4 values will be restricted. And NumPy array also indexing supports -1. -1, any value will be This denote the last index. So except last, print everything else. So let's look at the summarize function. So it also supports, we can extract sum of all values, sum of based on the column index, mean, standard deviation, and variance. Uh, Next important command is npvar. So let's define an array. I've defined an array which holds random values, and it is a 5 cross 5 matrix. So it gives out any random values. So np array, the condition I have given is if the value is less than 0, make it 0, else it is the same value. So wherever it is a negative value, it makes the value 0. So this important NP array, NP var is mainly used, very useful for data cleanup work. So visit this URL if you want to view all the functions supported in NP array package. Thank you.